Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn. Before we start the reading, Capricorn, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Hope this year brings lots of happiness, success and prosperity in your lives, guys. So let's start the reading now, Capricorn, for your daily energies, guys. These are the cards. For your career situation, we'll be picking 3 more cards, guys. These cards will be specific to your career reading, guys, and these cards for your relationship. So stay tuned for that relationship reading. It will be very specific to your connection and it will resonate to your situation, guys. So let's start the reading. Let's see first what are the cards for your daily reading, guys. It's 2 of Pentacles, Queen of Wands in reverse and the Empress. So with these cards in your situation today, guys, you may be in a good position in work. Things are going well in your work or things are going well in your personal life. But still there are some confusions because someone is really jealous of you. They are working against you, so or they want to cheat you in some way. So some kind of negative impact it is having on you guys, on your life. So the people who are there around you, their negative energy, their bad intentions for you, it may be affecting you today, Capricorn. And I also see that you are having doubts about someone. You don't trust some people. It may be someone in your career or personal life, and some kind of confusions or difficulties you are facing because of this person, and you are trying your best to adapt to your situation, trying your best, being really flexible, maybe spending time in work and in your personal life, maybe balancing between your work and personal life, or it may be something in your work situation, between the work you have, many burdens you shoulder. So you are trying your level best, trying to be really flexible, but I see that you are facing lot of stress because of that. So some things are not going right, guys, in your work, or it may be in your personal life, and you are getting some important communication today. So some important communication, it may be something in your work or some kind of a written agreement, or you may be signing some important documents. Something important is coming your way, or it may be in your personal life, some message. It may be an email or a message, something important coming towards you, guys, some written communication. That is also what I see today for y'all, Capricorn. So let us see what are these cards for your career situation, guys. So it will be specific to your career situation, guys. It's 3 of Wands in reverse, 4 of Pentacles in reverse and Ace of Cups in reverse. So with these cards in your career situation, guys, I see that in your situation today, some kind of suspensions or delays of projects, something which you were expecting is not coming at the right time. So some kind of delay, or some projects or some deals or whatever you were expecting to sign, all that is getting delayed or postponed or suspended, and you have that apprehension in your situation. You fear what the outcome will be of your situation of your work. So you don't have that clarity how things will go for you, and you feel that whatever you do, however you do, things are going how it is supposed to go. So your efforts do not matter. So you will be putting in tremendous efforts, but those efforts are not bringing in that expected results. So in your heart of hearts, you know, however things are supposed to go, that is what will happen, and you feel really worried because of that. You are not in that mind state to accept that however things are supposed to go, that is what will happen, and no matter what in your situation. But whatever the case be, guys, whether you may feel some kind of worry, stress, some fear about how things will go today for you, whatever your situation is, we also see that these negative situations are going to end and things will go towards a positive changes, guys. So some positive changes are coming in your career situation, guys. So end of troubles, that is also what I see with these cards. Capricorn, let us see what are these cards for your relationship. Capricorn, it's 5 of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and Temperance. So with these cards, I see that in this relationship with this person, it may be their energy or it may be your energy. So they feel that you are very nurturing, caring, loving, and you both share that mutual respect and love in this relationship, and that harmony is there, balance is there in this connection, and they may feel that you will accept their proposal, guys. You will accept them today because you feel that they are nurturing, caring, loving, and you have that perfect understanding in this relationship. But they may be too confident about this situation. They may think that you will accept their proposal or accept them, but you may not do that, or this may be their energy. You may feel that they will accept your proposal because you both have that perfect understanding. Maybe they are expecting more, so that may be the reason that this person is not willing to accept your proposal, guys, or willing to accept you. So you may have that false confidence in your heart that this person will be there for you, but maybe they are thinking whether they want this connection with you. So you are not sure about this person. So some kind of conflict of interest are there. Maybe they want something more than what they get in this connection, guys. So that is what I see with these cards, Capricorn, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.